Samsung is trying their best with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. The production of both Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 was started about a week ago, and after that we started getting some inside information of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display. But should we expect something big? Well, Samsung will going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 series and Galaxy Buds. But what makes Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 its new processor, because except this, it will be almost like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Meanwhile, a lot of people are facing the above screen protector issues on the Z Fold 3, and it's not even a whole year. This means Samsung should work more on display since this is a serious issue. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you okay with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display crease? Well, honestly, I hate it, but it is the reality and there is no other way. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display information is out where, according to Ice Universe, the Z Fold 4 crease is slightly better than Z Fold 3, still visible, but the display looks smoother. Now, we all know that in a display fold phones will get crease, but the company should manage it to make it less visible. But in case of Huawei Mate X2, outer fold display has near to no crease in the display. But a good news that the screen is much smoother. I hope some people who are facing the issues while using S Pen will fix this issue in the Z Fold 4. The dimensions on the Z Fold 4 is slightly better, where we see 6:5 instead of 5:4 on the Z Fold 3, and for cover display 23:9 instead of 24:5:9. A bit square type shape compared to the Z Fold 3. Meanwhile, Snapdragon Gen 2 performed very well in the initial test of power efficiency, better than all previous generation and even better than Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus. And this processor will going to power Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra next year. So good news for the S23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with the Super UTG ultra thin glass. But for now, it is not clear how durable it is since the last year's Z Fold 3 is not that good. Although Samsung is improving every year with the foldable display, and this year is no different. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with 4400 mAh battery, same as Z Fold 3. But Qualcomm claims to have 30% more power efficient processor than previous generation, so we can expect a slightly better battery for the Z Fold 4, but not expect too big because the numbers are same. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you okay with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display crease? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.